Think of the Solana blockchain like a super fast, magical playground where all your friends can play games, trade toys, and share secrets. But instead of toys, they're sharing something called Sol, which are like magical coins that can do special things. In this playground, games happen super fast. Imagine every game you played finished in the blink of an eye. That's because Solana uses something called proof of history, which is like a super fast clock that keeps track of when things happened, so everyone agrees on who won or what happened next without waiting. Anyone can join this playground. You don't need to be the strongest or the fastest, you just need to have some Sol coins. These Sol coins can help you play games, which we call transactions, and decide how the playground should look and what games should be added next. There are special helpers called validators. They're like playground monitors, but instead of making sure no one runs with scissors, they make sure no one cheats with the games or with the Sol coins. They use a system called proof of stake, which is where they risk their own Sol coins by putting a few of them forward to prove that they're honest. If they cheat, they lose their coins. Unlike some playgrounds where there's a boss telling everyone what to do, Solana's playground is run by all the players together. They vote on changes and new games, making it a place where everyone has a say. Each game or trade adds a new block to this giant tower of blocks. This tower is the blockchain. Each block acts as a snapshot of what happened in the playground at any moment. Once a new block has been added to the tower, it can't be unchanged. Solana's playground can connect with other playgrounds, which are like other blockchains, through special bridges, so you can take your Sol coins or toys to play in different places too. The positives are that everything happens really quickly. You're not waiting around to play your next game or get your next turn. With validators and everyone having a say, it's a fair place to play. If you're creative, you can make new games or toys, just like making new apps or tokens, and share that with everyone. So Solana is like a magical, super fast playground where everyone can play, share, and create together without needing a boss, just by following some simple but fair rules. And remember, just like in any playground, it's all about having fun and playing nicely with others. Solana is a blockchain that is a super fast, super efficient digital highway for information and money. It's a type of blockchain which acts like a digital record book where it's spread across all these computers around the world, so there's not one single point of failure. Think of a notebook where everyone writes down transactions, like sending money or data. Once it's written down, it's very hard to change. Unlike a bank where one central authority keeps the records, here everyone has a copy of the notebook, which means no one central authority or person is in control. If you've got to this point in the video and you find some value in this content, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who might find it interesting. Could it be relevant? Traditional blockchains, like Bitcoin, can be slow. It's like sending mail via carrier pigeon. Solana is like using a high-speed internet connection. Sending money on other blockchains can be expensive, just like high shipping fees. Solana is able to keep its fees low because it's able to process these transactions through its proof of history mechanism in parallel. Instead of having a blockchain that has to process sequentially, so you have one transaction, then the next one, and then the next one, and it's kind of in a sequence, whereas Solana is able to batch large amounts of transactions that happen at different times and parallel process these transactions and then store them on the blockchain. As more people use the Solana blockchain, it doesn't slow down. It's like adding more lanes to a highway. The traffic continues to move forward. I hope you got some value from this video today. It was short and hopefully simple. I just wanted to try and explain the technology that underpins Solana's blockchain and the breakthroughs that this team have made in building what I would say is engineering genius when it comes to being able to process transactions historically with timestamps in a really fast way. If you enjoyed this content, again, like, subscribe, share with anyone you might find would think this is interesting. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.